Hello, today we'll knit this flower using long loops. It's quite simple to knit, and I'm motivated to create a series of long loop movies because they give knits more volume and ornamentation. We will discuss the main character in the sample. All the remaining loops are stockinette stitches. As we knit 4 rows, we will concentrate on the 3 loops. Row 1 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, the pattern of this row is knit 1, purl 3, knit 3, then purl 3 loops with double yarn over each. Knit 3, purl 3, row 2 is on the right side. After the edge loop, the pattern of this row is purl 1, knit 3, purl 3, then form the long loops by dropping yarn over loops and pulling the long loops with the right hook. At the end of the row, purl 3, knit 3, purl 1. Row 3 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, the pattern of this row is knit 1, purl 3, knit 3, slip 3 long loops with yarn in front. At the end of the row, knit 3, purl 3, and knit 1. Row 4 on the right side. After the edge loop, the pattern of this row is purl 1, knit 3, purl 2, then exchange the places of the 2 loops with a tilt to the right. The yarn is in front, slip 1 loop, knit the long loop, pick up the slipped loop with the left hook, and exchange the places of the loops. Purl 1. Then knit the central loop. And exchange the places of the next 2 loops. Slip both loops to the right needle, pick up the long loop and swap their places. Return 2 loops to the left hook. Purl 1, and knit 1. At the end of the row, purl 2, knit 3, purl 1. The knit would look fantastic on an oversized mohair sweater. These 3 long loop will decorate any garment you knit. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.